is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something. Comes by way of the Fat Hipster. Look up the Fat Hipster on YouTube, like his videos, subscribe to his content, and click the bell. Thank you. So, I do a lot of spicy stuff. He does a lot too. He got me one of these things. I had no idea. It was like, it just said small packet. It showed up in my informed delivery from the post office. And I was like, what is that? And it showed up and they knocked on the door and dropped it at my doorstep. And I'm like, what is it? What could it be? It was from South Korea. I had no idea. I didn't order anything. No company told me that they were sending it. Look at that. Okay, this is called, and the first word on it, he says it's Geum, and then the letter B. So, Geum B. Geum. Geum, or Geum B, Ramen Devil of Fire Hot Spicy Soup Korean Instant Noodle. So, let's make it happen. 4.5 minutes, 550 mils of water. It's really not going to be a lot of... I'm not going to add anything to it because I'm going to do this up and it's going to be mukbang time immediately thereafter. So, the noodle block. All the bits and pieces. The sachet. It says, the spiciest ramen in the world. In the whole wide world. The whole deal, ladies and gentlemen. That's a big bit of geography. Now, on the front of it, it mentions that it's 14,444 Scoville units. If that is the case... Oh, this smells rather pungent. Here's how it looks inside the dark void. That looks vicious. Isn't it all of it? I got it all out. It's empty. Boil for 4.5 minutes. So if it is 14,404 Scoville heat units, technically it is not the spiciest in the world. It might be the spiciest coming out of South Korea, though. That I will say. Because they just came out with 3X Bulldog, and that one should be about 13,200. So I will say I really liked the 3X Bulldog. It was quite tasty. One thing though, this is gonna be like, it looks like it's habanero spicy. So we'll see what we got here. This looks mean though. 4.5 minutes. But, what do we got to do first off? Come on. Trying to get it on just the right boil. This is one just for safety's sake I got to keep the kids away from. Yeah. So, as always, I do the thing at the beginning of the show. It's an instant noodle. I wonder what Momofuku Ando speaks. This is the book by the guy who invented the instant noodle. These are quotations from him. Very quotable. I wonder what old Momofuku Endo would say about the noodles I'm going to have today. I just don't know. I would like to know. I wish I could. So let's see. The quote of the day is, failure does not provide us with the key to success. Okay. By the way, that's number 10. Failure does not provide us with the key to success. Although, you know, I'm going to have to take a little bit of exception to that. I would be happy to say that oft times that's very true, but there are also times when you're not going to learn nothing unless you lose. But I don't think that's exactly what he's saying. You can learn a lot from failure. I don't know. I just don't know. I got a minute and 20 seconds left to find out. These noodles look like they're going to be ultra thick. I've done so much mukbang lately, ladies and gentlemen. It's a lot. Lots of spicy. I'm hoping this one just doesn't conk me out. My wife was like, I feel for your poor stomach. That's what she said today. So. Today, the 13th of August, 2020. Got this funky headache. Got my eyes all jacked up. I get these headaches. My mom used to get them too. They call them migraine with aura. Like a aura. Like a glowing aura. It's nothing really. I mean, it's just irritating more than anything. Usually it's triggered by something like having some kind of preservative or like, what always does it? And I didn't have one per se, but having like a Slim Jim. Those kind of like beef sticks like that, those will do it almost every time. Alright, we're cruising into our last 10 seconds. Mind you, I won't be eating it right this second. You'll have to watch the mukbang for that. And we can bring old Rotato out right now because nothing's getting added. This is a straight up watch it get cooked. 550 mils of water for 4.5 minutes, folks. That's what we're doing today on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It smells good. But yeah, look at that. The devil. Devil. Devil ramen. I really want to try it just right now, but no, this will all get mukbang. God, it's so hot. That's the tricky thing about the mukbang thing too. I have to let it cool down. And that kind of like makes the noodles suck up so much of the broth. So, but yeah, let's let Rotato do its thing. And I'll be right back. Alright. So this video is coming out at noon at 2 p.m. West Coast time. You will be able to watch me put this into here as fast as I can without losing my mind. So, thank you again very much to the fat hipster. Thank you very much. Thank you. And yeah, I'm on it. This has been Odds Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.